The nose torque smelling salts is very potent indeed. Felt like the inside of my nose was on fire. Ugh.